birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Let's go. Yes, okay. Anong nangyari? Shampoo, hair treatment, ha? Okay, hawakan nyo po. And ano? And next package is healthcare packages. Let's do this. Angat po natin. We have a alcohol face mask. Ayan, thank you po. Ang galing. Hair treatment tapos. And then the third is, what is a package din? Pangkabuhayan package. And let's open it. Let's go. Oy! Ano yung ito yun? Ang galing, very good. Pangkabuhayan package din. Trip to Korean! Isa-isahin po natin yan, ma'am. Okay, patingin po. Trip to Korean, ibig sabihin, ang laman yan ay... okay ha, sa Korean nga naman galing yan ha. Thank you! Ayan, anong package yan? Yung vitamin package. Ano ba? Ay, whitening, sorry. Sabay tuloy sila nagsalita. Whitening package. Sige, pakita mo ano yan. Ano yan? Ano yan? Sunrocks. Nga naman, nakakaputi nga naman ng Sunrocks, no? Nanay, ha? 3 times a day po yan, ha? And how about this one? A relaxing package. Here we go. Open it. Dalitan mo na. Yeah! Relaxing package. Thank you. Yan. 4 kayo, magpangiran kayo doon, ha? And of course, ito na yung ating cash worth 1K pa. Para mas maganda yung movie, pagtigitin natin yung baba. O syempre yung baba, babalik tayo sa start. Yung baba, labas yung bila. 5, 4, 3. Wait, okay. Si Mokang, pakipicturean po. Nako, sayang po yung pagkakataon, ha? Dali. Ma'am, pakiatas mo po. Tapin na po. Yan, napicturean po ba? Sandali lang, ha? Sige, go ahead. Yan, okay. Sige, tapin mo. Okay, ha? Maliliit lang po. Huwag niya po kasi madadaganan po yung mga bata. Lapat mo yun dyan, lapat mo. Sila lang po, ready, go! Up, ay! Apo, ay, sige po, sige po, yan ha. Ayun na. Ayan. Yung maliliit, upo na. Maliliit, upo. Kailangan nakaupo. Pag lumapit sa akin, di ko papansinin eh. Kasi kailangan. Ay, hindi niyo po alam? Sa inyo, hindi niyo rin po alam dito. Sayang naman yung mga bisita dito. Iha, ikaw. Voltes 5. Palakpakan natin, correct yan. Dali, come here. Get your prize. Sa bandang likod. Ma'am, ano pa? Ha? Patrick, mali. Sorry. Daddy Jokes. Birthday wish, please.
Ano lang, madaming pera. Madami sana magbigay mamaya.
Kakaiba yung wish ni Daddy. At napakabilis. Alam ko si...
Content lang, tsaka lagi mabait lang. Mabait lang din sa amin.
Palakpakan niyo naman. Mami, birthday wish.
Iiyak na yan, no?
Ano? Ano, ang wish ko lang kay Kang Maris.
Lumaki siya. Hindi, i-vlog ko.
Ano, maging malusog na. Wag sakitin. Tama na yung pagiging iyakin, ha?
Iyakin. Ay, nakikinig, oh. Nakikinig, oh.
Lumaki kang may tapos sa'yo. Thank you.
Mami, habang naiiyak po kayo, kay Daddy naman ang gusto niyo sabihin para sa kanya.
Mamatay ka na.
Message niyo po kasi si-share po talaga kasama ko sa trabaho yan. Alam niyo po sa catering kasama ko po yan. He never tumingin sa maiksing short yan.
500!
Up! Now it's time to blow in 3, 2, 1, and blow! Yeah!